Imagine coming home from a very hard day at work. You were exhausted. You're starving. You got to feed the dog. You have to deal with your kids, but you also have to check your mail because you haven't checked it in so long. So you go out to your mailbox, get your mail out, and realize in your mail you received an envelope from the United States Attorney's Office. You open the envelope, you read the letter, and you realize you are the target of a federal criminal investigation. What do you do now? If you or someone you know has received a federal target letter in the mail, don't panic, but do not ignore it. I'm Karen Kenny, federal criminal defense attorney and owner of Kenny Legal Defense, as well as the Legal Vixen podcast. Today I'm going to explain what a person should do and should not do if they receive one of these federal target letters. What is a federal target letter? Well, federal target letter is sent out by the United States Attorney's Office in whatever district is doing an investigation. The letter usually includes notice that you're a target of a federal criminal investigation, the general crime that they believe that you may have been involved in, information about your Fifth Amendment rights, right to remain silent, and information about being able to get an attorney if you want an attorney before you speak to them. It usually also provides the name, phone number, or email address of the prosecutor who signed off on the target letter. One of the most important parts of that letter is a warning that you should not destroy or alter anything related to what they're investigating. If you do, and they figure it out, which they will, you could potentially be subject to another crime of obstruction of justice. A target. What is a target versus a subject versus a witness? The target is the person that prosecutors believe has been involved in federal criminal activity. A subject is somebody who's part of the investigation, but the prosecutor hasn't determined if they're a target or just a witness. A witness just means you're someone that has information. They may have been looking at documents that they obtained through a search warrant, business records, your name came up, or they talked to someone else and your name came up, so they want to talk to you to find out what you know about whoever the person is that they're investigating. There's 3 things that someone should do after they receive a federal target letter. First of all, don't pick up the phone and call the prosecutor's office and try to explain your case on your own. Do not destroy or alter any evidence that could potentially be related to what the investigation is. What does that include? Anything that's on an electronic device, external hard drive, thumb drive, emails. Do not destroy it. And the third thing is probably the most important is don't wait to hire a federal criminal defense attorney. The federal criminal defense attorney can step in right away and contact the prosecutor and say, hey, this is my client. You're not going to talk to my client directly. Everything has to go through me now. Do not pick up the phone or start texting people about this letter. As much as you want to talk to somebody, you need to hire a lawyer and talk to the lawyer and the lawyer staff only.